To create a text file using the command prompt, CMD, in Windows 10, you can use the echo command followed by a redirection operator, >sign. Here's how. Open command prompt by searching for it in the Start menu or by pressing Win+R, typing CMD, and hitting Enter. Navigate to the directory where you want to create the text file using the cd command. Click on File Explorer. Click on any folder you prefer to create the text file. Click on Home at the top pane. Click Copy Path to copy the path of the folder. Paste the path in the command prompt. For example, c:\users\k\OneDrive\documents\good news. Once you're in the desired directory, use the echo command followed by the text you want to write to the file, and then redirect the output to a file using, for example, echo hello, welcome to Ultimate Thriller TV. myfile.txt. This command will create a file named myfile.txt with the text, hello, welcome to Ultimate Thriller TV, in the current directory. To verify that the file was created, you can use the dir command to list the files in the current directory, dir. You should see myfile.txt listed among the files. To append text to an existing file, for example, echo this is additional text, myfile.txt. This command will add the text, this is additional text, to the end of the myfile.txt file. After creating and editing text file on command prompt, you can open the text file to see the work done.